Welcome to the Smart Fit. Today we're making tzatziki. In search of a tasty, flavorful, guilt-free, and high-protein dip or sauce, we found this Greek recipe which works magic in so many dishes. Let's make this. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of low-fat Greek yogurt, half a large cucumber or 1 small cucumber, half a lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, some fresh dill, a little olive oil, and of course, salt and pepper. Probably the most important step is juicing the cucumber. If you skip this step, it will be too thin. Peel the cucumber, cut it in half, and remove the core with a spoon. Next, using the large holes of a cheese grater, grate the cucumber using short strokes. This will minimize long strands of cucumber in the sauce and improve uniformity. With warm weather around the corner, this will be a refreshing sauce for you to share and enjoy without feeling weighed down. Wrap the grated cucumber in a clean kitchen towel and wring out as much water as possible. For our homemade Greek yogurt recipe, check out our other video which saves you time and money. Again, if you skip this part, your tzatziki will be too thin, and this is not what you want. Rather than throw all of this away, I made some cucumber and basil cocktails with the leftover cucumber. Another option would be to make some cucumber margaritas. The rest is pretty easy. Add the drained cucumber to the Greek yogurt. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the bowl, being sure to remove the seeds that fall in. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which adds a touch of Mediterranean flavor. Now dice about 2 tablespoons worth of fresh dill. If you are using dry dill, then reduce to 1 teaspoon. But in this case, fresh is the way to go. The garlic flavor is what helps pair this with so many dishes. So smash, mince to get as much flavor out of the 2 cloves of garlic. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got exciting changes coming soon. Into the bowl go the garlic, and finish seasoning with a little salt and pepper to taste. Savory, refreshing, and different. Have you tried tzatziki? If you have, let us know how you use it. You gotta admit, that is quite colorful. Mix, and that's pretty much it. Maybe a larger bowl would have been better, but in the end, this is the creamy consistency you are looking for. For best results, let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes and let the flavors meld together. When ready, add this to a chicken gyro, any sandwich you'd like, or use it in place of ranch dressing. It's not exactly the same, of course, but it's really good. For more recipes, nutritional information, exercise programs, and more, check out our newly redesigned website. So go ahead, click the link below, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram for sneak peeks into future videos. There is such a high protein and low fat ratio in this sauce, so you can slap it on before every bite. Enjoy, get messy, but not the mustache, and of course, dream it, learn it, do it.